Sometimes it's necessary to change the colour filters on your screen to make content easier to view. On iOS you can go to Settings and then Accessibility. From here tap onto Display and Text Size, and then you can enable colour filters. At the top of this screen you'll see a number of static images demonstrating what the colours look like at the moment. As you cycle through the different filters you'll notice these colours change in the images above, and you can compare the output from what you've chosen. Please be aware that during a screen recording these colour tints don't actually show up, so I've had to simulate the images you're seeing on screen now. The actual real-life effects are much more nuanced and much easier to view. Now these colour filters are useful for a number of reasons. If you're colourblind, for instance, you can choose to enable the red and green filters or the blue and yellow filters to make colours which are harder to see stand out more for you. You can also apply a whole screen colour tint. These changes apply system-wide to the whole of iOS. It will affect everything from the home screen to the apps you use. That means you can choose a setting that you like and it will apply absolutely everywhere, which is fantastic.